yellow, faded or scratched headlights. Problem solved with Holts Headlight Restoration Kit. You can use the Headlight Restorer Kit while the headlight is still on your car. There's no need to remove it. Start by washing, drying and then masking off the surrounding area. Attach the P800 sandpaper to the spindle. Wet sand the headlight to remove scratches and oxidation. Repeat the procedure using P1000, P1500 and finally P3000 to give a consistent finish. The headlights must be kept wet during the process to prevent burning off the headlight. Use the specially developed headlight polish provided in the kit. It will remove any remaining sanding marks and restore a clear finish. Use a small amount of the sealer provided to protect the headlight from becoming hazy and oxidized again.